Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you how to check your brake fluid on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to pop the hood, and on Jeeps there is no inner latch or cable. There's two hood latches on the external part, and then right in the center here there's a lock latch. Just slide it over to the right. Then you have your hood rod. It goes right in this marked hole right there. It's located in front of the driver's steering wheel of the engine compartment, and right on it is clearly marked what kind of fluid to put in. This says use only .3. Sometimes it's .4, .3. I like to take all the dust to make sure it's out of the way. And then I'll open the cover, just unscrew it, and then you can see the fluid in there. And you have clear marks on the side where it says minimal and max. And if you shake it, you'll see that it's right at the max. So the fluid is nice and high. If you needed to add to it, you would add .3. To latch the hood on your Jeep, you just line up those two prongs, put it in your palm, click it over. You've got two hooks on both sides. Just bring it up, line it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.